Hello and welcome. This video is the first of a series of setting up a Go High Level sub-account to sell digital products as a bundle to use it in a membership or even in a online community. Get started, you're going to go to your account and you're going to use your name and your password. We're going to type in the name and password here in this area. Your first time logging in, you're going to have to verify your identity with a security code. I'm going to grab the security code, going to copy it, going to head over to the area, and that's going to verify access to the account. I'm then going to be inside. Now, if you're an Ultimate Insider, this panel is going to look a little different. You're going to have more items here, obviously, for your particular account. We're now going to go into the memberships. What you'll then want to do is to go to the courses. You'll then click on products. And you'll then see a bundle of products. So this is where if you want to begin watching some of the courses, you can begin to watch them to determine how you're going to market them. You can also go to the sites area, and this is where you're going to see sales pages that are going to be editable, as well as a lead magnet page. You do not have to use the sales page template. You can actually use whatever sales page you want to use. You do not have to use the sales pages. These sales page templates are associated with some of the PLR courses. If you go to your settings tab, you're going to notice then that there's some filler information which you will then want to fill in with your own information. If you want to have someone to help you to manage the process, you can add in a user here in this area. That user will have a login and password in order to help you with your setup once you fully understand how to get moving. And that is your first and basic orientation to set up your courses. Now, in the next video, we're going to start with the settings so that you can use them. Once again, if you want the full range of marketing tools available to you, when you are signed up as an Ultimate Insider, you'll get all of the tools available to you as well as access to all of the settings. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.